Hey YouTube, what's going on today? Vegas Stacker here, stopping by to give you a little video. I do the reading and the research, so you don't have to. You can turn this on while you're brewing your morning coffee, while you're cooking dinner, cooking breakfast. Heck, I don't know what time of day it is for you or what you're doing, but appreciate you turning it on and checking it out. If you appreciate me, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel if you would. Greatly appreciate that as well. Throw a comment down there below. Let me know what you'd like me to do, say, go over, whatever. I like criticism. There's been a couple people out there that have been giving me some pointers and helping me out along the way to give me some ideas, and I greatly appreciate you guys doing that for me. I'm trying to listen to you guys and make the channel grow for everybody. You know, what the heck. So not sure if you guys really like this type of stuff, but I'm going to go over it. And on this, I'm going to do this until somebody tells me they don't like it anymore. And then maybe I'll twist to something else. I'm going to try it out. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm going to go over the markets a little bit. I'll start with gold as usual. I've been starting with gold to go over the price to start these videos. Today we're looking at gold sitting at $2,365.50 an ounce. That's down $12.50 for the day, 0.53%. As of the recording, it's looking about 3:30 in the morning, West Coast time. Yesterday, gold did take a hit. It was down $41.85. That's down that's down 1.73% closing. It's the third day that it's been red. Previous 2 days have been red, and today it's starting off the day red. So we'll see what today brings. There's a little bit in the calendar to see what's gonna happen, but I think it's just gonna be a choppy ride ahead here. We're in the red for the week so far. Previous 2 weeks were in the green, so we'll see. Like I said, I'm gonna go over what's in the calendar ahead to show you what's coming up. Moving on to silver, we're looking at silver sitting at $30.43 an ounce. That's down 23 cents for the day, 0.77%. Yesterday it did close in the red after 3 days in the green. So, you know, there's profit taking and there's some other stuff in there that I'm gonna go over a little bit here in a second. Yesterday it was down 3.71%. That's down $1.18 an ounce. But as we saw last week, I mean, there was a day where it went up 6.4%. So there's people out there taking profits, and that's normal. That's gonna happen. You can't expect that not to happen. So the look ahead, well, we'll go over what happened, what I think happened. So there was the FOMC minutes that were released yesterday, and it looks like, you know, that they're okay with the way things are going, and that they probably won't. There's a 60% chance, according to the CME FedWatch tool, that there'll be a rate cut in September. And then there's a 50-50 chance that there'll be a second one in December. Earlier in the year, the markets had been pricing in 6 cuts. So now that they're coming out and they're talking about maybe two, people are backing up a little bit, and they're taking a little bit of profits after there was a good run up from everything. So that's to be expected. I'm not one of these channels here who's going to sit here and pump you up and tell you that it's okay, the price of metals is going to $50, silver's going to $50 an ounce, and gold's going to $5,000 an ounce. I'm not going to sit here and pump you up and tell you that. I'm not going to sit here and tell you run out and buy silver, run out and buy gold. I don't know what it's going to do. I'm just trying to give you what I'm finding out. What you do with this information, that's up to you. I'm not going to, so do what you want to do with the info and go from there. So with the FOMC meetings minutes revealed, the concerns about inflation not meeting the 2% target despite some easing over the past year which suggests possibility of delayed rate cuts. Says participants agreed to maintain the current federal funds rate range due to signs of ongoing solid economic growth. So they're looking over everything and they're seeing what it's going to do, It also says that the U.S. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI is expected to stay at 50, indicating stagnant growth. So we'll see. They're not really in a hurry to cut rates. They just want to keep manipulating stuff. So who knows? But I mean, silver's still holding over $20 or over $30 an ounce, which is not a bad sign. Gold's still holding over $2,300 an ounce. So maybe it's a buying opportunity if you're looking to buy. I had another video where I was talking about swapping metals, and everybody's telling me don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. I appreciate the advice, and it was just a thought. I wanted to reach out to you guys and see what you guys thought, and I appreciate everybody throwing in their answers and suggestions. Shoot me a comment in the section below and let me know what your GSR rate would be for you to swap silver for gold. When I got into this, and I started buying collectibles like the Roaring Lion series and the Una and Lion series, and even when I bought my first tube of Eagles, I bought two because I had the expectation of holding on to one, and if the premiums were right and I could get the right value for it, swapping out the other for either gold or back to fiat so I could buy more silver. So that was just a thought. Anyway, I'm going to get back to what is in the week ahead. In the week ahead with the economic calendar, we got Canada has housing price index coming up. The jobless claims are coming out for the U.S. Today. They're going to talk about that. Consumer confidence, they're going to talk about that. The global services PMI will also be brought up. And then we have the Fed's Bostic is going to do a speech. So we'll see what all that brings. Maybe we'll bring some green candles to the day, or maybe we'll go flat for the day. Who knows? We'll see if silver can hold that $30 level, and see if gold can hold the $2,300 level, and see where it goes from there. But other than that, I really don't have much for you guys. Appreciate you stopping by to check out the video. Like I always say, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a subscribe. If you don't like it, throw a comment down there and tell me what I could do better. But until next time, I'll catch you on the flip side.